have a 2013 registered Vauxhall Cascada Turbo SE with a 1.4-litre manual transmission petrol engine. The car is finished in blue buzz and has only done delivery mileage. Key features include air conditioning, 18-inch alloys, CD player and DAB digital radio, electric windows and mirrors, rear park assist, sports seats, multifunctional leather steering wheel, leather gear knob, auxiliary audio inputs, USB connectivity and multifunctional trip computer. This Vauxhall Cascada has been through our full and extensive service and preparation process to ensure it's in perfect condition. Reserve this car online today for 48 hours for a no obligation, fully refundable £100.